what I used to do is we take some sources from the internet, take some code, and we do some bits changes, and we apply it in our to just satisfy the needs and make something things look cool. But actually, how the project is done, like how we have done here, like we have done lots of research works. What we used to usually do in a project was like we claim, okay, this is the newest one, this is the like we have done the only thing in this field, and we try to like eliminate all those credits which people have actually done. But what I have learned is like even Kavi sir told, like giving credits to the people like who have done the research work, it's the best way. And like making them known, and it will show us only that that we have learned from them. What I used to think was like all these political things are like people that make people biased to this and these things. But after this, I got to know that there's a point of view that we should look at these political scenarios. After studying that, we would know why these type of people think in that way, why people are getting biased in two different parts. We people like do the things in kind of jugaad type. So we make the code to make the simulation, or like in particular to like achieve that particular goal only. We don't put that much of effort in making it making a mathematical part of like model in order to do it, so that it may work in any type of condition. We don't used to do that. We have used your notion and everything. If another intern or another person wants to continue this project, he or she can just look upon the notion site and what we have done, what we are the things, how did we change our plans accordingly. So all those documentation particularly, and like recording the progress in particular task, we will be doing the same things, but try to prepare the program or the code in more generic way. Like what we failed to have was like the code was particularly made for that particular task. All the projects which we were seen in the presentation and progress sessions, it was kind of the newest to the end of the like implementation. And it's not just a sake of project for sake of the name project. It's the projects are continued to the next year, and it's like made into the exponential level. Those like ideas or the technologies used in the projects are almost, we can say, it's like in the all those technologies are in the verge of cutting edge. So those technologies to be practiced by engineers beforehand, before they complete the undergrad. The projects you are doing are like very new. You will not just find and surf it on Google and you will find it. You have to make the things out, and that would be really interesting because also the research part also comes in. And second part is the like crowd here. So all the guys I met in between the internship, all those guys are they are not just doing just because they got this internship or just for the sake of this internship. They are doing this because they really love it, like they really want to do it.